After you are done reading Stand in My Shoes and listening to the video, you're going to complete this sheet. So this is a picture of a shoe, and it is numbered 1 through 6. And at the bottom, you are going to fill in each section based on your answer to the question. So for number 1, which is right here, this section right here, it says at the bottom, what scares you the most? So you can draw a picture here. You can use words. What scares you the most? What's something that scares you? For number 2, what makes you happy? So you're going to go up to this. You're going to draw a picture. You can write words. What makes you happy? For number 3, what makes you mad? This section is what makes you mad. So again, pictures or words, either one works. If you need to pause this video and go ahead and do that, you can. If you want to listen to it completely first, you can do that as well. Number 4 says, what is something you are really good at? Right here, again, drawing that picture or writing those words. Number 5, what do you worry about? Over here, what do you worry about? And then number 6 is what makes you laugh. So that's down here. So again, you can draw your pictures. You can use words to complete this. Once you are done, you can put this back in your reading bin that it is complete, and I will know it's complete. Go ahead and watch this again if you're unsure of what the words at the bottom say.